Hello my beautiful friends and welcome back to my channel. This is Yaro from Zuarich and I'm so excited to be back. It's been a minute, and in this video I'm doing a mini remodel in my kitchen, which I'm in the process of remodeling in a very renter friendly way. So stick around and I'll show you everything I'm doing. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful friends. I'm so excited to be back. I know it's been a minute since I was on here. Actually, I haven't posted anything in 2021. This is my first 2020... Stay down. Messy. 2021 video. I actually posted my last video right before the holidays. And then there was a lot that happened during Christmas and during the holiday season. I was in Florida for over a month and a half. Lots of family stuff going on. So I missed you all. I've been wanting to post a video for a while. So I'm super excited to be back. I hope that you're all having a fantastic start to your year. And like I told you in the intro, I'm doing a mini remodel in my kitchen. And I'm gonna break this video into two sections because there's a lot of little steps that I want to do. And I just don't wanna pile it up into one. So right now I'm gonna do a very cool renter-friendly hack on a wall. It's gonna be like an accent wall in my kitchen. And then on the next video, my plan is to finish the backsplash and add some accessories and also the countertops that I did for my TikTok. And if you haven't seen it, how I did it, you can check out my TikTok account. It's the same as my Instagram handle that I linked somewhere on the screen over here for you all, but check it out. And thank you all so much for being here again. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, check out my Instagram, and I want to touch on some of the things that I'm using for my wall. I picked these wall decals from Target, and they're incredible. Oh my God. They were $5, and they're all kind of like terrazzo. Look how pretty they are. And also, they have this one, which I absolutely love as well. These were also $5 and they bring so many of them. So if you're a renter like I am, this is a great alternative to spice up any room. But let me shut my gums and jump right into this DIY. And again, thank you all so much for being here. I love you. And don't forget to subscribe. Mwah! This is the kitchen before. As you can see, the white wall is in the background. Also, you can see that I started working on some of the cabinets. I also did the fridge, but I haven't done the countertops fully. And I did those last year because I wanted to spice them up a little bit and get an idea of what I was doing, which is why I'm doing a second video. So stay tuned because I'm redoing the entire space. I started by changing the lighting. I got these from IKEA for about $4.99 a piece. I just wanted to give my kitchen more of a warmer hue instead of the cold LED bluish hue from the light bulbs that I have. These were super easy to put up and they changed the entire space completely. And then I started putting the stickers on the wall, and let me tell you, I was blown away. They stuck to this textured wall, and I was afraid they were not going to work out, but I mean, incredible, hands down. Like I told you guys, I got them from the dollar spot at Target. They were $5 a pack, and each pack brings 290 pieces. I ended up using 2.5 packs, or 677 pieces total. I know I counted them. I originally intended to cover the entire wall. However, it was just too much time. So my best friend suggested to create an arch, which is why I made this little makeshift compass, created the dome, and then I put the stickers around it. And this is what the finished wall looked like in 3, 2, 1. Okay, my beautiful friends, thank you so much for sticking around and watching this video all the way through. Thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to subscribe. And also follow me on Instagram because I share a little more daily life/decor idea and decor inspo on my Instagram. I have the second part of this video where I'll finish the countertops, the backsplash, the cabinet doors, and also all the handles in a very renter-friendly way. So follow along. Thank you all for being here. I'm so happy to be back. You guys I cannot tell you how happy I am to be back. I've missed posting here on YouTube. I love this platform so much, and you're all so incredible. Let's keep growing this family, and always, the journey is what brings us happiness, not the destination. Follow your dreams and don't let anything stop you. See you next time. Mwah!